What if the reason so many people feel overwhelmed, exhausted, and constantly busy is not because they lack motivation, but because they are spending their time on the wrong things? What if success is not about doing more, but learning what to stop doing? In this video, I'm sharing key ideas and personal reflections from Dan Martell. This practical and highly actionable book focuses on productivity, time management, delegation, business growth, energy management, and building a life where success does not require constant burnout. The central message of the book is this: time is your most valuable resource. Many people focus heavily on making more money, working harder, staying busy, and constantly multitasking, while ignoring how valuable their time and energy actually are. One major lesson from the book is airing to do everything alone often creates overwhelm and burnout. Many people believe asking for help or delegating means losing control, but the book explains doing everything personally limits growth and freedom. The book introduces the idea of buying back your time. This means using resources, systems, tools, or support to remove unnecessary stress and free up mental energy. Ask which tasks drain your energy most. Look for ways to simplify or delegate them. Protect time for meaningful work and personal life. Freedom often comes from simplification. One powerful lesson from the book is this: productivity is not only about managing hours, it's also about managing energy. Prioritize sleep and recovery. Schedule important work during peak energy hours. Protect mental health and emotional well-being. Another important lesson from the book: not all tasks are equally important. Many people stay busy doing low-impact work while avoiding truly meaningful priorities. Productivity is about impact, not constant busyness. The book also emphasizes systems and structure. Motivation changes daily, but systems create consistency. Create routines that reduce decision fatigue. Organize workflows intentionally. Simplify repetitive daily processes. Systems reduce stress and improve efficiency. One of the most meaningful lessons from the book is success should improve your life, not destroy your health, relationships, and peace of mind. Buy back your time reminds us, a productive life is not about doing everything. It's about focusing intentionally on what matters most while creating more freedom, clarity, and balance. If this message resonated with you, comment "Time is life" below as a reminder to protect your energy, simplify your workload, and focus on what truly matters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or stuck in non-stop hustle mode today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.